cease has been issued by the civil authorities. We got two good things for you. The chaos in Wyoming has now been stabilized, and the military confirmed to eliminate 3 out of 5 of the beasts. Although now 80 deaths are now confirmed and 155 injured, but do not worry, will be over soon. The last 2 we haven't exterminated yet's location seems to be in the north of Colorado. If you live in the north of Colorado, make sure you did the things from the first piece. Note if you see any of the 2. Make sure to contact us to let us know. This is all for now. Thank you for your collaboration. This will be all over soon.
Okay, you guys. You know what to do when you see them.
Yes, General.
Guys, I eliminated 1.
Wow, those new weapons our scientists made really do send them back to where they came from.
Wait. The last one. It's here.